nostalgia. I did a poll on my community tab not too long ago asking what you guys would like to see next from me on my channel. And the resounding majority of you guys, 55% to be exact, would like to see more about my locks. I didn't think it through when I did the poll. I didn't think it through. Here's the thing, I don't know what to say. I'm out of content about my locks. Cause the thing is, like, I mean, they're getting longer. They're definitely growing. But other than that, nothing's really changing. I mean, it's been a year and almost 6 months now. Wait, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. It's been 2 years and 6 months since I started my locks. And the curly ends are still curly. I think they're here to stay. I think they're gonna stay curly forever. Because like I said, it's been 2 years and 6 months since I started my locks. And I still have curls at the ends of them. I think that's just how it's gonna be. Other than growing, other than getting longer, and probably the occasional color change, nothing really changes about my hair. So I can come on here and do an update and be like, hey, here what it's looking like, here what it's looking like. But like, what do I say? I don't know what to say. So I'm making a video about why I started my locks today, and hopefully, you know, that is acceptable. But if that is not what you really wanted to know about, please ask me questions in the comment section, because I really don't know what else to make a video about. I have a video about the ugly stage. I have a video about starting out, and unfortunately I didn't film when I made my locks, so I don't have a video about installation. But I tell you, all I did was I took down some Senegalese twists that I had in my hair, and as I took them down, I put in some braids. And then later on I decided that braids were not it, and I changed to twists, and that's it. Since I can't think of anything new to talk about regarding my hair, since nothing changes, I'm going to talk about why I started my locks. So I started my locks September 14th, September 14th, 2018. So now it's been 2 years and 6 months, and I still love them, and I have no intention of getting rid of them. Maybe forever, but definitely not anytime soon. And I started my locks for a few reasons. The number one reason is I am tired of having to do my hair. And it's not that I don't want the freedom of and versatility of being able to do my hair however I want, style it, curl it, straighten it, all that stuff was great. But I hated having to do my hair. Like, you can't just go swimming and then not have a whole wash day routine the next day. You can't just lay down to sleep without doing anything to your loose natural hair and then wake up and expect it to be cute. Like, you can't do that, and it's so much work. Now, I'm not saying that there's not work and maintenance involved in this hairstyle, because there is. But if I go to sleep on this hair without doing anything else, I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and it's gonna look like this. You feel me? And it's not gonna be more tangled or more crazy. Like, I mean, they're dreads, so they are tangled, but you know what I'm saying. So that not having to do my hair was a great reason why I decided to start my locks. Another reason why I wanted to start my locks is because I think that they're pretty. I think that dreadlocks of almost all sizes and shapes are pretty. Obviously I have a preference, but I don't want to say what it is because I don't want anyone else to feel insecure about their locks. But I do like thick locks, I like thin locks, I like micro, I like, you know, macro locks. I like them all. Like short locks, I like long locks. But the reason why I I decided to go with Microlocs is because I know that later on, if I decide this is not what I want, I can combine these and put them together and I'll have thicker locks. You can't go the opposite direction. You can't take thick locks and make them small unless you comb them all the way out and put them back in small. It just can't be done yet. We haven't figured out how to do that. Other than if you have like 3 big locks all over your head, yes, you could take some scissors and cut down the middle and create some smaller locks, but that is a dangerous thing I would not like to try. Because ain't nobody trying to miss this much hair off their head by accident. So I went with Microlocs because I can change my mind later if I want to, but I can't change my mind if I go with thick locks. A third reason why I decided to install dreadlocks in my hair is because I have type 4 natural hair. It grows out instead of down. I understand the problematic nature of me not liking that. I understand that there's some element of self-hate in that, in having an issue with that, because obviously our hair in its nature is supposed to grow outwards. It doesn't grow downwards and longwards, and wanting that downwards and longwards hair can be an effect of the influence of, you know, Eurocentric beauty standards. I know. I never said I was unproblematic. I know. But I still like it, and that's what I want. I want long hair, not big hair. And as a matter of fact, no matter what I do, I'm gonna have big hair because I have thick hair. Even down and straight, a lot of people's hair would look a lot flatter than this. Mine is very voluminous. So no matter what I do, I'm gonna have volume. But I want to see the length. My hair, unshrunken, was like about this length whenever I started. But obviously it shrunk up to here and now it started growing back down again. And even now, because I have curly ends, I can stretch this hair and make it even longer, right? That's just the nature of the game. So it's not that I'm anti-shrinkage. I still have shrinkage, and I'm always gonna have shrinkage because I'm always gonna have natural hair, probably. But I wanted to see some length, and here it is. Okay, oh my God, when my hair gets long, I'm gonna be a problem. I'm gonna be a whole problem. So my primary reasons for getting locks are laziness and length, but there are like a gazillion other reasons I can think of why I love this. Like I just love it. I think it's pretty. I like my hair, and it's not like I didn't think it was pretty before, because I definitely did. My hair was pretty, but this is pretty too, and in my opinion, prettier. So I'm enjoying it, and I'm gonna continue enjoying it, and I hope that you guys don't mind this short video because I don't know what else to say about my hair. I feel like I have really just drank that topic dry, but I'm probably wrong about that. So comment below, let me know what else I can say about my locks or what else I can show you about my locks, and I will do it for you. I will do it. So bye.